Alright guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up an entire vulnerable lab environment inside the Kali Linux. In this lab, you will have not only bWAPP but OWASP Shop, DVWA, OWASP WebGoat, all of these in a single environment. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. So open up your browser. Here, search for pentesting lab GitHub. Go to the first option. Here you can see that. Just click on it. Alright, so in this page, go to codes under HTTPS, copy the code, go to your terminal. Here the first thing we are going to do is change our directory. Once you have changed your directory to desktop, now we are going to write the following command: git clone and the link and hit enter. Now let's check whether we successfully cloned it or not. Hit ls, enter. You can see that there is pentest lab. Now let's change the directory to pentest lab. Hit enter. Right. Let's clear out the terminal. Now before starting our pentest lab, we have to install Docker. So write the following command: sudo apt install docker.io. Now hit enter. It will ask you for password. Enter your password. Hit enter. Now Docker will be installed. Just give it a couple of seconds. Alright, once Docker has been installed, let's list out the contents. Here the main file we are going to work with is pentestlab.sh. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to check the contents, the labs, all the different labs that we can use. So simply type / and then sh and then list. Here you can see all the different web applications. We have got bWAPP, WebGoat, DVWA, Juice Shop. You can use any of these for your practice and cybersecurity related anything you wanna do. Now, in order to start any of this application, just simply type / pentestlab.sh start. Let's go for bWAPP and hit enter. Now it's gonna get downloaded. Just give it a couple of seconds. Now once it has been downloaded, you can see on the last line it says run install first to use bWAPP. So just click on the link and open it. Now click here to install. Just click here. As you can see, it says installed successfully. Now here you can see that Docker map. You can visit the bWAPP website either using this link or this IP address. So we are gonna just click on it, one link, and here. So here first you can see the login window. Here login and password. So as you can see here, we have got the password. Username is B and password is book. So just enter that. And enter. And here now we have a fully functional bWAPP website running. You can do different applications like HTML injection. You have got SQL injections, open authentication, cross-site scripting. You can select any of these and practice. Alright, so for here, let's clear out the screen. Let's go. Next, let's see one more application. Now, before starting, we gotta stop the process. So it's similar to the previous one. Just instead of start here, we are gonna put stop and enter, and it will stop the VBAP. Right, once that's done, let's check another application. So which one we are gonna check? Let's go with DVWA. So here and hit enter. It's gonna take some time. Now once it's been downloaded, and now next step we are gonna open DVWA. You can use this link or IP address. Let's go with the link. Open link. Here username and password. As you can see, username is admin, password is password. Let's just enter that. Admin password. Hit enter. And the first thing we have got to do is set up the database. Here simply scroll down and you can see create reset database. Click on it. Once you click, just wait for a second. Now you gotta log in again with the same admin and password. Now you can use DVWA however you like. For every website here you can see cross accesses, DOM based accesses, reflected accesses, stored accesses, everything whatever you wanna use. And to stop it, we are gonna simply type the same command. Instead of start, we are gonna go with stop, enter, and it will simply stop the process. Now you can use other labs whichever you want, like the similar way. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe RTP Shadow Ops.